Where to find call waiting setting for your Nothing phone to here. Okay, now the only way you can access this feature is if you have a functioning SIM card with active mobile data on your phone. Okay, so in my case, I don't have a functioning one, but I can at least get into these settings to show you where to go to find it and what it does. So you'll dive into the phone app itself here. And within the phone app itself, you'll tap on the three dots right at the top right here and go to settings. And under settings, you're going to where it says calling accounts right here. Once in the calling accounts section here, you will see the carrier name of your mobile network provider or whatever it is that you have. And as you tap on that here, you'll see all these different settings here. And one of them is the additional settings. Go to that there. And from there, you'll see call waiting. Okay, this is going to happen in my case since my SIM card isn't working. But for you, you'll be able to toggle this switch here. And what this does basically is while you are already in a call, you can actually be notified of an incoming call that's going to appear on your display or your screen, depending which phone app you're using. But you must be using the Google one for the Nothing phone, just in case you didn't know that. And of course, you'll be able to see that someone else is actually calling you, which in some cases you may be able to switch over to that person, answer them, put the other person on hold, and then come back. And that depends on the settings of your phone app itself. Okay, but that's where you would go to turn this on. Like and sub.